out with the bricks of a Kyle stick. Money, man, I free, watch you chop at them. Man, I live the lifestyle and me the foreign. Girl, I come na the Benz, watch you let at them.
Welcome back, viewers and subscribers. And I don't know the something set, you see me? So, the artist, the name Intence, man. Want to go check it out, the description I got there down below in the link. You see me? So, make we jump in the full reason why you want to come and click on the link, you see me? We are talking about Intence and the school girl when get impregnated. Well, at least that them says stills. Here we go on. We are going to debate about the whole topic and everything will take place, but before we do so, watch that short clip here, they will jump in at the rest. Okay, so welcome viewers and subscribers on the don't know day trendy dancehall with the latest updates, insights, and you see me, almost anything will take place in our dancehall or Jamaica, you see me, so subscribe if you're new peep so we can start right this way, you see me. Alright, so what you know, dancehall artist Intence has been accused of getting a young girl pregnant actually at the age of 16, so it's been circling around the media and stuff, so with a lot of different you know, reasons, so we have to really get this settled down once and for all, you see it. Alright, so first and foremost, would I like for anybody where I watch right now want to comment and tell me what you think, you see it. But what me think is that as an artist or let's say someone rising to the top, there's gonna be a lot of complications and stuff, you see it. So these are just like the start, you see me. Yeah, and you have to look upon it in a different way, cause like the nigga make a point, you see me. Here we go on, people. Me I go left the full video at the end of the video so you can watch everything and get an understanding for phone yourself, you see me. But me get where the dog come out and I say, you see me. And him never did have to come do that, you see me. Yet still the dog I try, she wanna say a waste of time that, you see me. Yeah. And it now work, it fail, you see me. And me believe, cause people is like that. You see me. So even the 16-year-old girl come out and say it's a joke. Like, what the hell? Why you are gonna do something like that? Say you only are do it for the cloud, for fame. You see it? Just for, you see me, like, for say mash up an next person life. I'm gonna like some people like that. I'm gonna like Jamaican people. Them not get to the nitty gritty of things before them jump to conclusion. You see me? Intence is an artist with me rate. You see me? Me rate Vendetta too. Me rate Gaza. Me rate enough of them artists. Them massacre with them I do them thing. You see me? But here what? My sister side I pick up on one bag of sitting. So me you know me I do my own thing. You see me, yet still me give vendetta them perhaps straight anyway them they, you see me. Guys are just the same, you see me. Yeah. Yeah, people, so with that said and done, me not be biased none at all, you see me. And me I watch everything we are going in at the media and you see like from if me for tell you when me believe or when me not believe, you see me, would I tell you straight up say it complicated too, you see me. But Intence from you know say you know do so, you're good, you see me, cause end of the day pitney born and blood test and certain thing for do, you see me, DNA, you're good. So you don't have to worry, yet still, you know some of them idiot, you know. No. Opinion or no reason, you see me? Yeah. So likewise, him never have to come explain nothing, him no want an explanation, but the girl she don't really have much sense if you ask me, you see me, so we gonna leave that to our next video, you see me, so the girl them say she is 16, Intence around 24, them age is it. And top artists like him a gonna go look for one knock them girly. You see me, cause I'm in a position where girl a run off him. You see me, girl a chase the dog, no jokes, you see me. Even if it wants sound, so that is the reality, you see me. So even if that girl left we get a piece off of the dog, me feel like a trick him, cause we know girls stay like that. Them are 16 till they say them are 18, 19. Them way there. We for know them thing. How people going like them nonsense. So you see me. But anyways, even if the dog know our years or whatsoever, I feel like him would have go on side over 18 thing there from the other day, is it?
No forward better man, that the character now miss. Now forward sitting better, get this year. Yeah. Yeah. So all I said, man, look fame. I'm looking one different way, because right now, night time, you hear that? Every day, I sit in new about me. How am I doing this, sir? So, when I'm on my family, like me, I want a man. So, I'm not like, when I like, that's how I'm badness. I'm not beg no friend. Me, I look back. Station police. It's the police are following me, but them thing. I'm not try, but we're not trying to say that. Yeah. I'm saying I'm trying, man, but I'm trying. No, about that thing, so what I say, I play my music. No, when I say, I focus on my music right now. Yeah. Yeah, guys, you never have to worry. You know that anything you have to agree. Everybody just try fight it. I try to do so. So, when a woman can't find no one to follow out there, you hear that? Yeah. Any big man will say, I'm going to put the people for dead, you hear that? Feel like one from them, and you know all of this money here. Yeah, I know the whole of this start. We don't go school in our mouth or nothing. Sufferation and poverty and everything, they build me, you hear that? Yeah. Alright, so, sufferation, poverty, and everything, they build me. I'm not going to come see me, you hear that? Everything me up. God, feed, God, live in a studio and stage show and everything, you hear that?